as a bird. Go, so that you can help. Oh! Go, oh, there, Ebony, look. She give you, he give you. Now feed you. Okay, feed the bird, feed. Feed bird. Slowly, slowly, only a little feed the bird. Thank you. Oh, see? Go, feed the bird. Go, feed the bird. Feed the bird, Bella. Bella, feed the bird. Feed the bird. There, when you feed the bird. Look, the bird there, oh. That you can feed the bird. Get the bird so that you can feed the bird. Oh. Nakita kita, Pilisa, Rami. Doon sa ano. Pilisa, nakita kita. Go feed the bird. Go, Bella, feed. There, the bread, oh. At your back, have a big bread. Oh. Nakita kaya kita. Naglalakad. Nakita kita, Ate Lisa. Pero nag-ano kasi kami eh, nagpa-park pa kaya di kita natawag. Bella! Feed the bird, Bella! Feed the bird! Ebony, here! Wala nang ano ay sarado ng mga ano, kadalahan. It's nice but the bird but around her, no? You wanna get one? You're gonna get one. Hmm? Yeah. Go, Ebony, go play the bird. You can play with them. See? They are good. Oh, go feed the bird, Ebony. Look, Ebony, just get close to your sister Bella. Ebony, close to your sister Bella. Put it over the head. Wait. No. My sister tried to touch that.
Go there, Bella. Go there. Go there. With Daddy. Are we going home? Bella, go your sister bunny. Hi, Bella, up. Get up. Wipe, Mama, sandali, wipe. Wipe your hands, wipe. Don't sit, huh? Yucky, don't sit. Don't sit down, huh? Yucky, huh? Oh. Wala na, sarado na mga padalahan. Sus Ginoo. O kapadala. Domingo, basta Domingo, sa'yo sila magsara. Daddy. Daddy.
Which one to go
Bella. Feed the bird. Yeah? Oh, feed the bird. Here.
I saw the one with the feathers over there. Black and white.
Come back here, near here. Bye-bye na oy, kas malubat ko. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Bella. Bye-bye.